On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way to reset Instagram Explore page easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open your Instagram and then go to the Explore page. As you can see here, this is my Explore page. I have only the fitness content right here. All what you have to do, if you don't like, for example, the fitness content, then you must start liking other posts, for example, animals and like this, for example football, and go to the fitness posts and click on the options and choose not interested, and also make sure to put uh, a comment on the posts that you like this post, for example. You have to post a comment like this, and also you have to click on this save option. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe.